I'd like to show you how to put an image into your blog post. I've already logged into the blog. I'd like to take you to the new blog post button. And here we have a familiar blog layout. We need to put some information in. We need to tell what category the blog post is in. And we need to give a title. I'm going to call this Vancouver. We need to put some text into the blog post. Start by clicking at the beginning of the text. And we can then use the Media Manager to insert some media. I've already uploaded my Vancouver shot, but if you have to upload another image, this is how you do it. Go to your upload media and you can just drop your file straight into this box. If you want to find a browser to browse your computer, click Add Media. You would imagine it would be Browse Media. That relates to the computer. Dr. Rob. Perfect. So there must have been a problem with that, but there are sometimes problems with images. Let's go with Rob, and we can now browse our media. Rob appears, but I'm going to use Vancouver. There are some other options that can we use when inserting a media, which I'd like to go through. These are covered under the Customize button. We can add an image caption, so we can change this to make a little bit more sense. Vancouver, take the rest out. We can enable a lightbox, which makes the image clickable to a larger version of the image. And if we want, we could enforce dimensions, which would make the image either bigger or smaller relative to the original. I'm not going to use that. We say Insert, and we wait for the system to complete and close the window. Now we can see that the image has been in fact inserted into the blog post. Should we want the image to be smaller, then we use the Customize button to make a smaller image. There is a temptation to click on the image and make the image smaller. This is not a good way to make an image smaller, since you still have the same size of image, which is not a very good idea for download speeds. I'm going to go Control Z to make the image come back to its original size. Let's click on it again. We've got our control bars showing that we have selected the image, and I'm going to click the Insert and Edit button on the WYSIWYG editor. We now have a shadow box pop up with full details of that image, and this gives us good control over where that image goes. I want to align that image to the right, and we can see by the preview what's happened. And I'd like to put a margin on the left and bottom. So I don't want equal values to the margin. I want 10 pixels on the bottom. I want 20 pixels on the right. Oops, 20. What else can I do? Alternative text is used for sight impaired people, and a text reader will tell the person who's sight impaired what's in that image. So I might make that a little bit more informed. Vancouver City. And update. Perfect. So all I need to do now is submit for review. And that completes the tutorial.